Hi, this is Amaro from Octocnc, and I wanted to show you guys how I beat blast some parts. I got two fingerboards right here, and the one on the right is shiny. It just came out of the CNC, and then the left one is already beat blasted. You can see it has like a dull textured finish, and if we would anodize this, the one on the right would be a shiny finish, and the one on the left here would be the blasted one would be like a matte finish. So I wanted to show you guys how I do that. Just adjust camera a bit. Put these in here. So there's silica beads, sand beads in here, and we're gonna use compressed air to shoot that at our part. So, got our gun right here. Make sure we kind of overshoot our motions so we don't get streaks. We'll do the perimeter here. Make sure the sides get also hit a bit. Okay. We'll do the back side. I'll try to get it into all these Hex pockets. Flip it around. If we miss a sidewall in there, it'll be a little more shiny, so I want to try to get it as even as possible. It looks pretty good. I like going back one more time, make sure we got no fingerprints that we're covering anything. Alright. I think that looks pretty good. Take a look. And voila. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Even textured surface, so that should look pretty good. I just got some of the boards back that we beat blasted, and I wanted to show the difference after it's anodized. So here's the one that we beat blasted. Has like a matte finish, as you can see, versus this one is one I polished. A little more shiny than one that comes straight out of the machine. It's a little easier to see on the solid ones I got here. This one is beat blasted. Has like a very even finish, a matte color, versus this one is straight from the machine. It's more shiny. The color actually looks pretty nice. It pops a little more, but you can see the grain a bit more of the material. Same with the blue, for instance. Alright, there you go. That's how we got the matte finish versus the more shiny finish.